Hi, and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. This is Shirish Bhatnagar, and I hope you're here with super amazing, super beautiful, and bright faces because I'm really trying my best to give you that, to give you all the positivity that I can from my side, from my part. So, without further ado, also, let me tell you that I really didn't count you in. I thought you would be getting bored with my coffee making shots. So today we're not having that. Or should we? Not for today. So we're not having that coffee making shot that we usually do. That I usually do put in my videos because that's the last thing I do before starting everything. Before starting this video, that was the last thing that I was doing. So I really, think that I should count you in. But for a change today, I thought that you might be getting bored, so I'm not really counting. I really didn't count you in that coffee shop. So, without further ado, let's start today's video. So for today, thought of the day, now that you are here, so today's thought of the day is failure is a lesson in disguise. And why am I saying that? It's again just like all the other things that we have discussed on this channel is what I've experienced in my life. This is one part of one piece of that total experience that I've gained, or the things that I've learned in my life. So it's a part of that. Failure is a lesson in disguise, and it's never about. It's only about the perspective. It's only about how you're looking at things. If you're able to look at a bigger picture, it's way better for you. And I just realized that I forgot to put in my earphones, and maybe that you might not be able to hear this part of the video. So I'm gonna go put my earphones on so that my mic is clearer. I'll get back to you. Hi, I'm back. And okay, we'll resume the video. So I was talking about looking at failure like a lesson, that it's a lesson for you. It's all about the perspective. It's all about how you're looking at things. So failure is totally inevitable. It's ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई there is one person कि कोई वो कभी fail नहीं होगा. Everyone fails, and probably every day there is one or the other task that you're failing at, that someone is failing at, that each one of us is failing at. And हम इस चीज़ को एक नेगेटिव वे में नहीं देख सकते, बिकॉज देर आर पीपल हु लुक एट फेलियर इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. वाई? व्हाट डू दे डू? ऐसा वो क्या करते हैं कि उनको ये चीज़ पॉजिटिव लगती है. वो एक शॉर्ट एनालिसिस करेंगे. दे विल गो थ्रू दैट फेलियर, जिस चीज़ से वो फेल हुए हैं. दे विल गो थ्रू द इट अगेन, उस चीज़ से सीखेंगे. दे विल लर्न फ्रॉम इट. दे विल लर्न कि वो कहाँ रह गए. Were they not prepared enough? Were they not ready for this shot? Were they not worthy just yet? So उस चीज़ से वो सीखेंगे, and that's what we are gonna do right now. अब से एटलीस्ट हम अपने फेलियर से सीखेंगे. We are gonna learn from our failures. We're gonna redo that thing again जिसमें हम फेल हुए थे. And if you're failing today, that doesn't mean that you can't be sure enough that you will fail tomorrow. And even if you're failing tomorrow, you can't be sure enough that you will fail the next day. So हो सकता है कि आज आप फेल हुए हो, पर आपने उस चीज़ से कुछ सीखा ही होगा. कुछ ना कुछ सीखा होगा. क्यों फेल हुए, क्या रह गया, क्या कमी छूट गई. एग्जैक्टली तो कुछ सीखा होगा आपने. ठीक है, तो चलो आज फेल हुए. लेट्स जस्ट से कि आप you fail again tomorrow. पर ट्रस्ट मी, आई डोंट थिंक दैट जो रीज़न फेलियर का आज था वही रीज़न कल होगा. बिकॉज इफ़ यू डिड यूर SWOT analysis good, you'll know that why did you failed at it today. Subconsciously you won't be repeating that mistake again tomorrow, and that's what we're talking about right now. You know, knowing where you went wrong, क्या गलती हुई आपसे. And this is not just about the projects, the course. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. My tripod isn't working that good these days. So we were talking about that. It does not mean we're not talking about just the corporate world, just the projects that you have to carry on, just about some daily tasks shit. I am talking about life lessons too. If there is something, okay, I think it's about to go off again. So if there is something in your life that you think you failed at, that you think you could have been better, give it another chance. And it doesn't mean that you failed at it, you're not good at it. That is never the conclusion. Maybe you didn't practice that much. So yeah, failure is always a lesson in disguise. It will always teach you something. It will always give you something to learn. And that's what the thought of the day today is. And I really hope that you think about it, and I really hope that you don't give up on your dreams just because you failed at it one time, twice, thrice, or maybe 4 times, or maybe 10 times, because there will come a time that you realize probably you are becoming a perfectionist, probably you are becoming a professional in that field, and probably you are gonna achieve what you've been dreaming of till now. So yeah, failure is a lesson in disguise, and you should never forget that. And I leave you with that thought today. And I really hope that you don't just skip through it, and actually give it a thought, because it will come handy for you in your life, in your probably in every day, probably in your office, school, college, university, or anything. So just give it a thought, and I'll see you in the next video.